I review many tech items on this channel. Most of them are for some kind of use, but sometimes it's good to have just fun. So today's item is just for fun. This is remote controlled off-road car made by a company named PKX. Now to be clear, I did not buy this car. The company sent it to me for free to check it out. So thank you PKX. But it's not a paid promotion as well. One of the best thing about this car is its price. It comes on Amazon usually for $80, but right now there is some discount going on, so it is $60. For this price point, it has some really cool features. I will put the Amazon link in the description box below. And let's start the review. I love how it says for adults. We have here instruction manual, but we don't need this. And here is the car. It's more like a monster truck than a car. Then the remote controller and some spare parts. It comes with 800 mAh battery, which gives you around 20 minutes of drive time. And this battery can be fully charged within 2 hours. For charging, we have this USB cable. We have to put it over here like this, and then plug it in for charging. So let me charge this battery first while we talk about the car. Let's start with the controller. Controller design is very good. It's very light and feels like a cheap plastic, but that's okay. We don't have to throw this around. Now we have to put our own batteries in this. Those batteries they don't give it. So using the screwdriver which they provided, open the bottom, and here we have to put 3 batteries. Let me check if I have some batteries. Okay. Let's put this cover back, and then we have to attach this turn wheel to the controller. It just claps on magnetically. You don't have to put any screw or anything. This is just a magnet. One speciality of this controller is this turn wheel. You can attach it to either right side or the left side. It works exactly the same, and it is designed in this way so that the left-handed people can also use the remote very easily. I like this attention to detail. Now let's put it back to right side. On the controller, there is one power button. That means we are in business. Then another switch is to control the speed limit, and one more is the light button. And the main controls are this wheel to turn the car, and this is the throttle. Then we have some spare parts. The car is designed to drive on any type of terrain. So sand, stone, mud, grass, anything. And people do all sort of crazy stuff with this car. So that's why so many spare parts. So if something breaks, you can replace it. And lastly, we have customizable stickers. For the price of $60, I would say car looks amazing. This top part is very thin. It deforms very easily. But apart from this top part, everything else feels very sturdy. We will go out and test this soon. But before that, I would like to show you what's inside. And to open this car, you just have to remove these 4 pins. And the top part comes out. The only thing which you can adjust in this car is the height of this top part. Using the screwdriver, you can lower these posts down, so the top part will go down. It has 4 shock absorbers, and due to them car can take much more beating. They feel very nice and have this huge range. Wheels are rubber with some aggressive grooves to grab any kind of surface. This over here is the main motor which drives the wheels. And this motor here is to turn the wheel. And it is all-wheel drive car that definitely helps to go on any kind of surface. And this is where battery goes. I think the battery should be a little bit charged at least. Let's give it a try. And then put the top back. And we have to turn this on. And this is to turn the wheels. I guess we are ready to go outside. Cameraman, come!
Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man. All your music and arrangement. You don't know shit. Shut your mouth. You can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks didn't change it.
After reaching to the park, we unleashed the beast. Now is it on maximum speed?
Yes.
Go. This car has great amount of power. It had no difficulty driving on any type of terrain. And trust me, we tried wide variety of terrain. The grip of tire is really good, and while driving, you kind of feel in control. It doesn't go out of control. After a while, we discovered how to do this. So good! See our driver.
Now you are ready for CRV driving.
And it looked so cool that we had to try it again. And in slow motion, it looks awesome. I tried to do the flip as well, but after multiple attempts I couldn't succeed. I don't know what I am doing wrong. Maybe speed is less or it is hitting at the angle, but the good thing is after these many shocks as well, car did not break down and it worked perfectly. And lastly, we tried it on sand as well. Now it says it can go in the puddle, but I didn't try that because I don't want to make it dirty on the first day. Maybe sometime later we will try that.
My pen.
So funny.
I enjoyed driving this car a lot. To be honest, I did not expect this car to be this good. It has a great speed, great power, and control is pretty smooth. I would definitely recommend this car. Now in next video, I am going to put a GoPro over here on the top and let's see if we can get some awesome footage. If you like this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So that's all for today and I will see you in the next one.